Welcome to new video, and today we're counting down our picks for the most beautiful white animals in the world. We'll be taking a look at some of the most stunning white animals on the planet. These animals come from all over the world, and they all have one thing in common: their stunning white fur. Number 1. White peacock. These beautiful birds are often considered to be symbols of purity and beauty. White peacocks are not albino, but they have a genetic mutation that causes their feathers to be white. This mutation is called leucism, and it affects the amount of melanin in the bird's feathers. Melanin is the pigment that gives feathers their color, so when there is less melanin, the feathers appear white. White peacocks are found in India and Southeast Asia. They are often kept in captivity, but they can also be found in the wild. White peacocks are larger than their brown counterparts, and they have longer tails. Their tails can grow up to 6 feet long. White peacocks have been revered in many cultures throughout history. In India, they are considered to be sacred birds, and they are often seen as symbols of royalty and good luck. In China, white peacocks are associated with longevity and wisdom. Number 2. Arctic fox. These beautiful creatures are native to the Arctic region, and they're well adapted to the harsh climate. Arctic foxes have a thick, white coat of fur that helps them to blend in with their snowy surroundings. This camouflage helps them to avoid predators, such as polar bears and wolves. Arctic foxes also have small ears and a short snout, which helps to reduce heat loss. In addition to their physical adaptations, Arctic foxes are also very intelligent animals. They're excellent hunters, and they're able to catch a variety of prey, including lemmings, voles, and birds. Arctic foxes are also scavengers, and they'll often eat carrion. Arctic foxes are fascinating creatures, and they're an important part of the Arctic ecosystem.
Number 3. White deer. A rare type of deer that is found in parts of Europe and Asia. They are not albino, but they have a genetic mutation that causes their fur to be white. White deer are often considered to be good luck, and they are sometimes seen as symbols of purity and innocence. There are several different types of white deer, including the piebald deer, the melanistic deer, and the leucistic deer. Piebald deer have patches of white fur, while melanistic deer have dark fur. Leucistic deer have a reduced amount of pigmentation, which gives them a paler coat. White deer are often solitary animals, but they can also be found in small herds. They are crepuscular animals, which means that they are most active at dawn and dusk. White deer eat a variety of plants, including grasses, leaves, and fruits. Number 4. White koala. A rare and endangered species of koala that is found in Australia. They are not albino, but they have a genetic mutation that causes their fur to be white. White koalas are often solitary animals, and they are rarely seen in the wild. There are only a few hundred white koalas left in the world, and they are all located in the Queensland region of Australia. These koalas are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and predation. White koalas, often referred to as moon bears due to their light-colored fur, face a higher vulnerability to predators compared to their typical counterparts, as their pale appearance makes them more conspicuous. In an effort to safeguard the white koala population, a breeding program has been established to support conservation efforts. Number 5. White lion. White lions are a rare and beautiful subspecies of lion. They are not albino, but they have a genetic mutation that causes their fur to be white. White lions are found in the Timbavati region of South Africa, and they are considered to be sacred by the local people. White lions are larger than regular lions, and they have a mane that is often cream-colored or blonde. They are also very social animals, and they live in prides of up to 40 individuals. White lions are an endangered species, and there are only about 300 of them left in the wild. However, there are a number of breeding programs that are working to increase their numbers. They're a rare and beautiful subspecies of lion that is facing extinction. But thanks to breeding programs, there is hope that their numbers will increase in the future. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.